guys, what's up? So I'm going to be filming my September Birchbox. If my makeup looks kind of crazy, it's because I just filmed a makeup tutorial. I went a little bit out there with the makeup, so I will link that and you guys should go check it out and see if you like it. Of course, if you like this look. If you don't like this look, there's no point. But yeah, I just wanted to do something fun. It's a much shorter eyes and lips tutorial than I normally do, because I was filming during the hurricane, which I still am. I'm pre-filming things. So I'm filming, we're not getting like super bad weather, but like our power could still go out. So yeah. Please pray for everyone that is rebuilding and stuff from the bad weather. I don't live on the coast, so it wasn't as bad here, but definitely got pretty bad on the coast. So please pray for them as they rebuild. But let's get into the video. So this is the box for September. It just has like cool shapes and stuff on it and just cool colors. So their theme for this month is that they're celebrating us. This month marks 8 years of Birchbox, and we couldn't have done it without our customers. And it's like, you helped us reach 1 million global subscribers. You've written 136,000 reviews just for Beauty Protector, Protect and Detangle alone. You inspire us to launch The Future Starts, now fun to invest in your dreams. You come up with the countless creative ways to upcycle your Birchboxes, and you share your unique unboxing experiences with us each month. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing is Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. The full size is $23, and it says, this calming serum that doubles as a spot treatment refines pores and balances skin without drying it out. Apply all over cleansed skin or directly onto any blemishes. And it says it's 99% natural. To be honest, not gonna lie, I used to work at a vet and a shelter, and this stuff kind of smells like one of the shampoos that we used to use at the vet. Not gonna lie. I mean, it's not a bad smell, but like it does remind me of dog shampoo. So that's interesting. The next thing is the MAC Cosmetics in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. The full size is $24. Want lashes that are as dimensional as you are? Swipe on this clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash. I'm not going to open it because, as you know, they will dry out if you open them. But I've never used one of the MAC mascaras. I recently got another one as a sample, so I'm excited to open them and try them. I can't see any reason I won't like them. The next thing that I got is the Mellow Cosmetics Liquid Lip Paint in Ibiza. The full size is $14. This ultra smooth liquid lipstick has a velvety matte finish and a high pigment nude shade. The non-drying formula is also vegan and paraben free. So I have one of their lipsticks that I recently got that is really cool. And I've absolutely been loving it. It's like a bright pink. So I'm definitely excited to try the liquid lip paint. It's a really cute color. It's much more of a light pinky, like nudie shade. But yeah, I just think, I don't know if you guys can like really see that with the light and stuff, but it's just like a nice pink nudie shade and I really like it. So I'm excited to test it out. The next thing that I got is the Oral-B Mystify Restyling Spray. The full size is $44. Whip your hair back into shape with this innovative spray which reactivates styling products on second day strands. Shake and mist all over, then heat style. So I guess that if you already have product in your hair, you don't have to add more the next day, from what it sounds like. It smells nice, so I don't have any complaints about that. It'll be interesting to test this and see how it works. That could be really helpful. The last thing that I got is the Proenza Schuler Arizona. Full size is $100 to $135. Chanel channel an adventurous attitude with this crisp connection with white cactus flower, jasmine, and orange flower that's suitable for spritzing year-round. So, I could smell this when I opened the box. Gotta say, I am definitely not a fan of the smell. No offense to this brand whatsoever, but I would not pay $100 to $135 for this. I do not like it. This is something I will probably offer to my cousin or something. I might test and see how long it lasts. I can imagine this would last all day because it is very strong. It reminds me of something that an old lady would wear, or like a funeral home. Kind of smells like a funeral home, to be honest. Yeah, it's just not my thing. If you like it, I'm sorry, but it's not for me. But yeah, other than that, I really like everything that I got in the box this time. The boxes look really pretty, and yeah, I can't wait to like review these things and let you guys know how I like them. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you enjoy seeing me like take everything out of the box and show you what I got. It's similar to what I do on Ipsy on my blog, except I guess it's a video format. So let me know which one you prefer if you look at both of them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And please go like on my social media. I will link it below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!